Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to do, and how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I do have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on Arizona. Arizona became the 48th state to join the Union on February 14, 1912, with the original governor named George Hunt. Now, we know that today's capital is Phoenix, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, the original capital for Arizona was a town called Prescott. The state flag over here is really cool. It consists of alternating red and yellow rays that represent the original 13 colonies in the western setting sun. Really neat. Now, the state bird is the cactus wren. The state tree is the blue palo verde. The state flower is the saguaro cactus. And the state nickname is the Grand Canyon State. The state motto is Dita Deus, which means God enriches. Pretty cool. Hopefully that's enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on this project. And until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.